So I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup. Before I start my makeup routine, I would like to show you guys this straightener that I was very generously sent by this company called Irresistible Me. This is the Black Diamond Professional Hair Straightener. You get to choose the temperature that it is at. So if you want it super hot or not too hot. It uses special technology so it doesn't damage your hair as much. It's super pretty and it heats up really fast. I straightened my hair with it before I started filming this video, but I thought a better example would be to show you guys how it works on my hair when it's not straight. So last night when I got home from work, I took my hair out of my ponytail and it was all kinky and messy and not cute. So I decided to try it out then, and it heated up within like 2 minutes and took me less than 5 minutes to straighten my hair. If you guys would like to check out their website, I will have a link down below. Not only do they have straighteners, but they sell hair extensions, hair accessories, all different stuff like that. So there is a link down below if you'd like to check all that out. Again, thank you Irresistible Me for sending me this straightener. Okay, now I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and for mascara I use the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Mascara. That is all I do for my eyes, just mascara. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I'm gonna do them off camera and then I will come back. Okay, eyebrows are on. Now it's time for my face. And I just put it there. And then for any blemishes that are still showing, I use the Master Concealer. Okay, and then to cover my under eye bags, I use the NARS, just like the really popular concealer. Okay, now I set my face with the e.l.f. HD powder. Time for bronzer. So I use the Benefit Hoola bronzer. Wow. Now for blush, I use the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush. I also put blush. Okay, I'm back. As I was saying, I like to put blush on my nose right here. Lastly, time for highlighter. So for every day, I use the Fenty Beauty, like the less dramatic highlighter in this thing. And then whenever I am like going out or something, I use the more dramatic one. See, look at that. And then some nose highlight. Lately for setting spray, I've been using the NYX Dewy Finish, so that's what I'm gonna use today. We're done. That is it. That is what I do basically every day for my makeup. If I'm going out with friends or going to work, this is what I do. I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any requests, please leave them down below. I am open to any video ideas because I am running out. Again, if you're interested in looking at Irresistible Me's hair products, I will leave a link in the description box. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.